Sometimes even with high CPU and even higher RAM, you will feel that your system freezes in between. Sometimes you feel that your cursor is not moving and some applications are stuck in between. You might experience this mostly when you use your web browser. When you take multiple tabs and when you try to open multiple apps in between, you might face this issue. Your cursor doesn't move, there won't be any response for a certain seconds of time. Maybe it can last till 5 seconds or 10 seconds and it will be back again. The freeze will be gone. So why this is happening? We are going to diagnose that in this video, and I will show you what exactly the issue is and how you can solve the issue. For that, let's start with the File Explorer. First, you have to go to the File Explorer, then just right click on it and click on Properties. Now here lies the problem. When you take the system property, or directly you can go to the system, and from here just go to About, and here you will see one thing that is very important. Your graphic card memory is only 128 MB. You have a 16 GB of RAM, you have a high-end processor, but still your graphic card is very poor. This is the reason why your system is getting freezed in between. Now the only solution is to upgrade this graphic card memory. So you can do that easily if you have installed a high-end RAM. You can share this RAM, 16 GB of RAM space, to the graphic card and you can solve the issue. Now the first thing you have to do is to go and check what is the page file size of your system. For that, just click on Advanced System Settings and then go to Performance, Advanced tab, then from there to the Performance, then click on Settings, and then again go to the Advanced, and here you have to check what is the virtual memory allocated for your paging file size. If it is too low, you have to change it to the recommended value or the recommended size. For that, just click on Change. There will be an initial value as well as a maximum size. I am setting the initial value to 3000 and the maximum size to 3500. Now click on Set. You can see here that the recommended value is nearly 3 GB. Now click on OK. Now it will prompt to restart your computer, make it effect. Then click on OK. Then click on Apply and click on OK. Now you can close down this window, and the next process is to upgrade your graphic card. There are 3 ways to increase this. The first one is to update your graphic driver. Sometimes outdated driver restrict the automatic sharing of system RAM. So you have to go to the Intel or AMD website, whichever the processor you are using based on your processors. This is Intel. And you have to download the latest driver for your graphic processor and install them. You can just copy the processor and then search for graphic driver. Now you will get it here. Just go and download and install the latest driver. Once that is installed and upgraded, just go and check whether this graphic issue is solved. Now the next method is to increase via BIOS or the UEFI. That is the best way to do. This method permanently allocate more system RAM to your GPU. Now I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how you can improve it. You can do it accordingly as you see on the screen now. First, you have to restart your computer and enter the BIOS. Usually, you will get it by tapping the F2, Del or F10 or even the Escape button during the startup. Now, next, you have to navigate to Advanced Chipset Configuration or Video Settings. Now, next, you have to look for UMA frame buffer size, internal graphic share memory or video memory. The either will be displayed. Now change the value from 128 MB to 256 or 512 or even higher depending upon your RAM. That's it. Now you have to save and exit it. That's all. Now the next method is to increase via registry editor. That's a software trick you will be using. If your BIOS doesn't offer any of the options which I have mentioned earlier, you can trick Windows into reporting more VRAM to games. But remember that this doesn't increase performance if your RAM is slow, but it helps game start. Now for that you have to go to the registry editor. Now from here navigate to this location. I will share the location in the description. That is the folder of Intel. Just go to this location. Now right click on Intel and just go to the menu and click on new and then select key. Now rename this as GMM. Now just select it and on the right pane just right click and click on new and then select the dword 32 value. You have to create a dword and now you have to rename it as dedicated segment size. Now double click on it and change the base to decimal and set the value to 512 or even you can go up to 1024 MB. Then click on OK. Cross check it. Now just close this registry. Now you have to restart your computer and you will see that your graphic card memory is changed to 512 MB. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.